Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple but useful tutorial video for your Windows PC. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix camera not working in your Windows. So let's start the video. First of all, click your start button and here go to settings. And now on here, you can see the option privacy. Click that option privacy and scroll down. As you can see, the camera option is here. Just click the camera option here. And now, first of all, you have to ensure that this is open, that is allow apps to access your camera. You have to on this, turn on this settings. And after that, uh, find the application that you want to use your camera. And after that, just if the option is turned off, you have to turn it on and your problem will be fixed. This is the first way you can fix the problem. If this doesn't help you to fixing the problem, the second option is right click on your start option and here go to device manager, and after that search the camera option. For my XP laptop, the camera option is imaging device, but you can see the camera option on the other PC here. And after that, just right click it here and select install device and select install. And now just click the action option here and select scan for hardware changes like that. And as you can see, my driver is reinstalled on the image device, and after that your problem will be fixed. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.